Last year, with macOS Monterey and iOS 15, Apple introduced Live Text, which lets us select and copy text directly from a still photo like this one. As I hover over this text, it changes from an arrow to a text cursor. Now I just need to click and drag to select the text, just as if I was in Pages or Mail. Now in macOS Ventura and iOS 16, we can do the same in videos. In this video clip, we have a couple paragraphs of text on this sign. With the video paused, when text is detected, the arrow again switches to the text cursor when we hover over the text. Click and drag to select. Right-click on the selection for more options like Translate and Share. Choose Mail here, and the text from the video is pasted into a new mail message. This video from a hockey game can be a little more challenging for live text. In this frame, it detects the player's name and even some of the text on the signs in the background. But it struggles more with the text on the signs along the boards to the side. It can be interesting to move to different parts of the video to see where the live detection works and where it doesn't. This feature will work great with large, clear text in videos or photos.